Pop! Touch him, man. Catch him, man. Go for him, 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 go. Go for him, go for him, go for him, go for him, go for him. That is it. 7-6. A whole man this.
Yeah, people, what's going on? You don't know, say your boy hidden, and you there and don't know 876 lifestyle. I just saw with it, and people, well, from where I'm not get to do no adventure because I don't know we do over the other channel, and we are putting some great work over there, you know. Yeah, man, and that channel there, JA Street Struggle. You don't know, big up my boy Outcast, one link, big up Wi-Fi, same way. But yesterday, you know, people, I go up on an adventure with Javani JA and bring me a sea. We catch a king crab, we catch few little fish, but me not even did show some of them because the fish them never did that great, people. Besides them never did that. So we never bother with that the video there. But today we are doing a crazy pan Coote on people. We are going to knock some pan Coote in a Migla watch it on. So I will get them, I take up the screenshot now, so now go see what I made of. So you may say, on stay tuned. That
You like him? You like him? You like him?
you know what's steal it?
They done?
You like him, you know?
You like him?
Stealing in there, you know? You like him on his foot, man.
Sing on there. Nice pan Coote, you know?
Yeah, man. Left down, bro. Get the end. Shot him, you know? I want to get that.
Go on again.
Alright, and then we go, you know. How are you saying, Tom? I never know. People! Watch out.
Really?
I ain't trying to kill him, look, I'm sure, you know.
Eh?
You know, ain't get the man. See that? Yeah?
Close to it. Got no catch him?
No. Lick him. Lick one.
Him.
Shoot one, man. Shoot one.
He no dead.
Shoot
Catch
him,
him
man.
9 chest.
Right, 9 chest, lick him, man.
I'm gonna catch that one camera.
Oh God, bro. Cheese and peace, bro.
Jesus Christ, Father.
Oh, you gonna get a poor full shots there, bro?
No, brother, come and say, yo, come in to my topic camera, bro. Look at that, peeps. Dead. Yeah, no hidden boss, bro. I go close to them. Oh. Wow, that dead. Me catch that. Wicked. Jump. That dead. Go for him, go for him, go for him, go for him. Yo, that dead. That dead. Classic. One hidden.
Anywhere then they would find it.
That dead. Yeah.
It. Me not have China 2 that down, you know. A 3 me shoot and a 2 that down. And the rubber bus, see there? That's where I will get to. Hey,
Close.
Father, one more and me cool off. Oh! Ah.
Hello?
Alright. You know lick him?
Yes.
Lick him, man. You lick him in the neck. You lick him in the neck. See my gap there. See my gap there. Lick him in the neck.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You lick him in the neck. My gap. You see, you know, move. He injured, you know.
Alright.
Lick him in the neck, man.
Bah.
Alright. That's
Touch him again.
Touch him again. Get shot again. Mash up in a man. 2 shot now.
Toughest bird this in the world, peeps. Come on, Eden, take him down.
May I take him down?
See now move there. Eden, take him
May I
out.
take him down? You lick him, bro.
Bob.
You lick him. You lick him.
Me see it, man. Go for him. Go for him.
Yeah, go for him. You think I normal you this? Eh?
Show them a big chuck off, you know.
So, that's cool. Now go for them, man. You have to go and wait up yourself, you know. One day before walk over this.
Where?
Walk around this.
Yeah, you can walk around this.
Alright, now walk around this. Come here. Now go for the cheap and put them on my shoot, you know. Be a headshot. Some classic like the Whalers. Yeah, man.
No joke. Peeps in boss. Bust 3 head. 3 head shot. I'm go on. See one day. First victory that.
My gap in a people.
Yeah, man.
Give
I
me
toughest
gap
one
in,
this.
You know. This is the toughest one, you know.
Make your dive now, my boss. Room. The next one, them there. Up there, so.
Yes, sir.
You deep.
Not deep, but man, swim cold there, so me slip back up. No, man, he must kick in, man. I swim, me should have lost swim, man. You don't want to lose me slippers. Hold on there. Slippers, bro.
Pass the slippers, them.
Yo.
Show them up, man.
Water, I don't know.
Show you up. Yeah. Next one. Say water look like a deep, peeps. That is it. That is it. See my guys. Coote. That one. Next one, the upper so. See next one. See man. No man, I know him that man. No man. See him up here. Guys, I know him that. I want different one that. See him up here, Eden. You need to get shot. I say. This is one in the recover door. Yo. Some breed of fish in there, you see, boy. Says me come here so now me I see them.
Yo, him get shot, bro. Look like he don't get the good recover. 3 of them, bro. So one and never mash up good, you know. The next one I know paper.
Yeah, man.
Watch out, him not that good, you know.
You know that good.
Yeah, I'm finishing him still. Yeah, show that part that's the thing. Yeah, man, want it.
Chop that thing.
Hold it. You get knocked, you know.
Guys, I want you gone. Hey, you know gone home good, you know.
Him dead, man.
Take him out time,
he
is it?
bleed out.
Oh.
Just put him back. Just catch him up.
See it, man. Just steady, man. Just steady. Don't catch him.
You must him up, man. Yeah, man.
Touch him, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Catch him, man.
Yeah, man.
Go for him, 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 go for him. Go for him, go for him, go for him. Go for him, go for him, go for him, go for him, go for him. Hold him. You touch him.
Yeah, man. Oh. Alright. Okay, so fine. Alright. Walk back and forth. Yeah. That is it, people. See me.
That is it. So that tips. Another one.
What a smell. What, bro?
Up the part where we have to go, man.
Yo, give me a hand, bro. Yeah, babes. 3 me get video. Should have 4 still. Shoot one. And I think say the bird gone. When I check out, the bird recover and gone. So I'm going to 3 me get. So I have to give God thanks here me. I never have to get none, you know. So that's how the thing said. So we're going to do a cook up on them people. So you know, stay tuned, you know. Them man, and big up every loyal 876 subscriber with there, you know. And big up Javani JA. Check him out, people. Good day. All my money me chuck off, man. With a day every care. Yeah, man.
3 Coote now, about 3 people them are going on.
Yeah, man.
Where next to
Where
it?
there?
See one day.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's all. Hidden. Yeah, I like.
Yeah, man. Classic shots, man. Classic, man. Classic, man. Classic.
Yeah, man.
Coote, thanks. Yeah, man. Coote. Coote.
Nice.
Deals.
Deals.
So we do it in a JA.
Yeah, man.
That-
No jokes.
Yeah, people, no joke. So I go do the boss take down 3 Coote. So, you know, we're going to roast them up on thing. So I get some stick, you know. Some of these stick we're going to use. Boss, bust them 3 Coote. Guys, I'm the first time, you know. Then, I check some 3, so you know, so 1 of me and 2 of me.
That is it, man.
Guys, I'm going to deal with you with that one little spot out there, so just watch it first.
What we do?
People, here we are going. Before we start the fire, we need first time at this location, and we're gonna make a dive off, you know. Water looks so refreshing and nice, and my clothes kinda dirty too. some more rinse off it, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, carry my glass, man. So come in, man. Alright, that's what I'm going to chuck off. Yeah, man. That's all.
Outside. Oh, okay.
Look at them again, people. See them there, you know? 3 lovely one.
Coote.
A 4 me should have been a man, but me satisfied.
Yeah, man.
You
More
know?
than enough of that.
Yes, man. See them there, you know, man. Solid. Yeah, man. So you are going to know.
Out of the jacket.
Out of the jacket, me I take them. Me I go in the water and me I go clean them up. You see me? So after we clean them up, we build up the fire and blaze it up higher.
No jokes.
So just look out, man. Right in the water, me I go in.
No jokes. Should I come down there to Eden?
Eh?
Should I come down there too?
Oh, you?
Yeah.
No, man. Come from over here. Yo, this is in foot broke, you know?
Yeah.
Watch out, where? That's how me know me clap him good, you know, man. Foot broke, man. I find a knife at two people right now that same water, you know, because I never come with any, you know. Yeah, man, so.
God,
Like God just put it there for me and say, yo, you know, it does still, you know, man. Blur not. But you can do a thing still. Yeah, man. When a fat man, what for meat, man.
Lovely
Oh
Coote.
my. You know, say, out of the jacket business, you know. You know, them are sitting there can't pick, you know. So, you have to open up the jacket.
Yeah, man. Take them out of the jacket.
Yeah, man.
So that peeps
Yeah, man.
out of the jacket, you know.
Jacket, they say all the wing them, you know, wing them don't really make no sense, you know, so I just chop them off. A wing and a meat bunny people.
Be a feather.
Be a feather they found that, man. We have to take him out of the jacket, man.
Out of the jacket. That peeps.
See it there, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Small little chicken, you know.
Lovely, you know,
Yeah,
Eden.
man. Bust him belly, man, and open him up, you know. Yeah, man, believe, man. And cut off that the lower section, you know. You know, we not deal with them thing, yeah. You know something named gizzard? You know that we are working with the gizzard them too, you know. Yeah, man, they can roast.
And the liver.
Yeah, man. I don't use the liver.
Nah, it's the liver.
No, sir, I can't manage the liver. I work with the gizzard them. Yo, you say it's tough, you know, brother. Can you say? He shot broke his foot, you know, bro. And the thing still a continue, as he say, he can't keep up, you know. He can't keep up. Me I say, people, big up the great Wi-Fi, Crop Zone, Wild Adventure, one Javani JA, one Outcast. You don't know. Yeah, man. and big up to the whole life subscriber them, you don't know. Without you know, cannot work. So yeah man, we are doing the right thing man. Because nature we say, man, and we are come with a force, people. So just look out, at some epic things. Just look man. Some things man. I'll take place on the channel and I'll see them. Yeah man, you see me find back the family line I shooting and now. Me get back the farming like a people, enough people might never know. Me start out. Me a hunter from me a little boy I grow up. And me stop me, they put it down because of work. Yeah man, but back at it again man, a full effect man. Yeah man.
So that take our time jacket hidden.
Yes man.
3 of them in lick down.
Yeah,
But there 4 of them still, but 1 of them gone.
Yeah man.
One of them tough peeps, Didn't put couple steel in him, but fly the same.
Gone, see me. Film jacket. I want the jacket too tough
man.
Yeah man, that jacket there. Look on him. What do you feel? That's how they can afford to bro. Look there.
Yeah man.
Waterproof.
Didn't that one have only meat though?
Eh?
That one have on meat.
Yeah man, you have on meat man. You know one in the maga. You see black one them people, the full black one them, they want the tough man.
Yeah man.
Jeez I'm glad say me not even that them I wanna make it try. Black one them master. Me eat them still in and me love them but they tough man. Me not go around with it. Come out of the jack. Yo, me see steel a little while You see the sink in him bro?
You jump out?
Jump out little while brother. Right in the chest plate and so steel there I catch up.
So that peeps out in jacket.
Out in jacket.
Yeah man.
Semi-automatic. Stuck in the jacket. Oh.
That is it.
Leave man.
But I need a ramp to take them out of the jacket, sir.
Yeah man. I tell you say, hey, the amount of them I take out of the jacket man, so I don't know. I cut off the wing man, we gonna make no sense bro. We gonna no flesh bunny bro.
Peeps, watch your process. One more left. They say you lick him.
One of them lick him. One he get one in us so and the last take him in the head, yeah man. Have to give me no credit, tell them put it on them sim. And people look out, you see? Man, so I'm fully clean up now with the people. Yeah man, so I process that I am,
Nice.
Yeah man, I can see I have a little fat and sick, but now I take off everything still. Can make it quite fat still, Yeah man, so
I lot.
Yeah man, I lot when you go up on the roasting board. Yeah man. It's part complete. It's our boss of these food where I eat people. I don't think I'm a consume grass and anything that eat.
They eat earthworm too.
But them, you know, I think they eat earthworm.
Just lone grass.
It look like most of the grass them a feed pan, you know. They eat fish, you know. Yeah, man, they eat fish, man. That's why you see them always in the water.
Oh.
Fish, you know.
Small one them.
Small fish, them, they eat them. Come here, so come find a knife and everything like I said, me left nothing here. Boy, oh boy, just be set up the right way.
Gotta work, eh?
Gotta work, man. Yeah, man.
Who God bless?
No, man, curse.
That's it. Cause we did really need a knife.
We really need a knife, man. This couldn't work without a knife, you know. Couldn't work without a knife.
A wonderful catch too.
Yeah, man, a nice catch, man. We feel good over that catch, you know.
3 Coote.
3.
Well, a 4, but 1 gone.
1 gone. And that's how you go. I give thanks same way. I couldn't come here and not catch none. And I just go, man. That's how you go.
True, man.
Yeah, man. The fire soon can't start light up. So the process done, fire go light, and we go season them up, you know. Yeah, man, so we consume the Coote. Fire go and set up, you know. Worry yourself, man. You know what you go do, man. Once the fire catch, you know.
Boy, people don't want a big fire still, you know. See, because pan Coote is very soft, you know. Yeah, man. So we don't want a big fire. We just want something we know so we can get some heat. So we're gonna make it mix some cold. So go and watch it. Guys, as you know, I catch and cook, so we don't have no farmer, knife, cutlass, nothing. With beer and final season to say, you know. So I go on. Yeah, buy everything, you know.
Yeah, man. That done season up here now, people, you know.
Guys. Watch our style. Yeah, man, them well wash out. We don't want to fly. We go and marinate, you know. Practice.
You want to go on, babes? 876. Okay. 876.
Try to get the fire together, you know. No, a bad thing not too right in a people, but no other method right now.
So that peeps. One hidden.
Yeah, man, a one go, man.
Yeah, man. 876.
Lifestyle outdoor
doors.
Yeah, man.
See there now, guys. Outdoors over there, you know?
Yeah, man.
No
Fully
jokes.
outdoors.
So that peeps. Cook up a storm, you know? 3 Coote.
3 Coote pan the recruit.
Yeah, man.
When you eat the Coote, must get a youth.
No jokes.
Put some bramble in it, people. Bramble, look like you catch already still enough. I see them board here. Them board here, I don't know. Board is like some board where hard to catch them, a board that catch easy people, you see me? Yeah man. I put some of my bramble in man. Sort out the right way. Right now that catch you know, that's gone a road.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. So I outdoor grill that people. Yeah man.
Bad too, you know.
That's bad.
So I go and keep I grill them right now. Yeah man, what is it? Cleanliness, godliness. So not because with the outdoor, so with fresh river water and so natural, nice and cool, it's nice to eat. This location, a very nice location. Yeah. A lot of persons when they are out here, so I want here and clean guys. Thank you very much. Corn peeps.
Hidden dah aku. Eight, 7, 6. Okay, see why I blaze dog. I try the knife in it, bro.
Yeah.
What good now, man? Okay. Yeah.
Time is the master. It's when me let it go, I just saw me see it. Life might change gear.
No,
Yeah
yo.
man, 3 of them man. 4 of them and me not get one. But here what go on. Me not crave still enough. Me give thanks for the 3 where we get. A 2 we and a 3 we get.
Yeah, man. More than enough.
More than enough. So here what go on. You have to think about tomorrow and you can't think about just today alone.
True, true.
You can't want to take everything one time and you have to make it think them reproduce too.
True.
You know? Yeah, so you come all of this spot and catch a few, you know, yeah, depend on the spot every time. You can go somewhere else and make this spot go and build back.
Yeah, man.
So you have to do it.
Yeah,
rotation,
man.
you know?
Rotation.
Yeah, man. And,
Cycle.
Cycle.
Can't kill out
You can't
the-
kill out the
yeah.
breed because you kill out the breed.
We
Your
not go-
son, where you come, can't get no title, you know?
Not true.
So, that's how we treat people, you know? But the thing them up on the grill, you know, man, we build a nice little outdoor grill, so when them ready up, we see them, but we they are going easy still, you know?
No,
Big up
true.
on yourself, people.
Look, peeps, talk to me. And I comment section, guys. Jeez! 876! Hey! Hidden the works this year, guys. You see our PH shot. Beef, so cover I want to go on steam, you know? Like you leave about a whole heap of season to, you know, guys. Yeah man, you leave about a lot of season, so cover it down to go on steam properly. 876.
That is it. Fully active people. Put them on. Oh my. It's a duck fest.
Yes, sir.
Yes, man.
All over fire night.
No, sir.
To eat.
Do it thing.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Be a smoke that people. The big, a wicked bill, you know? See them people. Oh, them roast up, you know?
Guys, they roast until everything burn off.
roast. And nobody
Well
feel like
roast.
say. They no roast. They roast properly and,
Yeah, man.
and they no burn
And
up
a
either.
burn them burn up.
Yeah, man. A roast, they roast. Yeah, man. So, there was some plate, you know? Yeah, man.
No joke.
Some plate, man.
So.
So I just put it. Put it.
Yeah, man.
See, there are people, yeah. Meat nice, huh?
Yeah, man. Soft, no joke?
Soft, man. And just a shell off my bone, you know?
Well roast, man, today. On the island night.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Proper, man.
No jokes, man. Y'all who never have duck before?
Need to try it.
Need to try it.
Proper, man.
Proper, man.
And the taste just natural. People.
Natural.
Authentic taste, you know?
See next piece of gizzard hardy.
So sample that, man. I work on that one, you know?
No jokes. Duck for days, babes. Taste the pepper nine.
Pepper rich tonight, man. But I love the pepper still, you know? Man, pepper get a vibes. Bone them firm still, no people, no can't do bite them, you know?
Tough.
Yeah, man, the bone them hard, but the skin soft.
Better or nothing.
That is it, people.
No
You
jokes.
know, come sample for your base.
I mean, you know, guys, that's like fire. That it smells good. Guys, it's the first time I have duck, you know. So they were playing. I didn't shoot in it, shoot 3 of them. But 4 of them, but 1 of them did. First bite. Yep. Actually, it's not the bone them tough, but the meat soft. Yep. Night the duck come find it. Steal it. Right in my chest. More than one time we didn't shot I was just stealing around 2 times or 3 times. Steal ball roast rice nice. Thank God some
Connect him. Yeah, man. I try. People, boy, I'm not telling them I enjoy myself today, no people. Because I feel pleased with myself to see what I can do. And I know I can do them things for a long time. But I put on the bird shooting for a good while because work on them things. But I find out say they are not working back, you know, people. And I want to stay tuned, you know, because we have some epic content. But here I say people, until them time, they catching up on the next adventure. Big up every subscriber, big up everybody who stay tuned, guidance and protection. Catching on the next one. I'm out.